Hello and welcome back to the Watch Gecko YouTube channel. So today we're kind of sticking with a hands-on theme, I kind of really wanted to go through how picking the right strap for your watch and how crucial it is. We see, obviously we've got a lot of straps on our website and it can be quite confusing to decide on which to go for. We do receive a lot of emails as well from you asking for product suggestions and that sort of thing. So I kind of really wanted to sit down and just give you a few examples of some two watches that I'm sure quite a lot of people have, and essentially how straps can differ per watch. So, okay, so the watches we've gone for, I've gone for the SKX, Seiko SKX, and we've also got the Tissot Visodate. So both really popular, affordable options, and they both give you two different looks really. So you've obviously got the diver for the Seiko SKX, a bit more of a sporty look, and the classic, potentially everyday watch from the Visodate. So what I'm going to do is I'll introduce the first strap and basically show how they look on the different watches. Okay, so first we have a Zulu Diver 284 on the Seiko SKX. So if you're familiar with this watch and any other diver really, you're probably aware of these diving straps. They are, including the name really, they're diving straps, so they work really well with diving watches. They're made from rubber. This one is really high quality rubber, as all of us are on the website. And it's perfect for a diver really. This is exactly what you want to go for. Much like the watch, you can use it in the water. It's nice and summery as well, so if when you're hot and warm, it'll have no problems with that. You've also got a few perforations as well on the strap, so you know it's a really good, comfortable option, especially for the summertime that we're experiencing at the moment. So this is a perfect example of if you've got a Seiko diver and you want a replacement strap, a rubber is a great option. And here is the Tissot Visodate. So different watch, but it's on a similar sort of rubber, and it doesn't really work that well. This is not really the strap you would put on this watch. Again, as we just mentioned, the strap's better for a diver. So I'm not even sure on the water resistance on the Visodate. I don't think it's too high either. So you know it's quite thick as well. So I would avoid putting a rubber on the Visodate really. It's a dresser watch. You're normally going to wear it maybe every day or with a suit. It just doesn't work. There are plenty of options out there that work better. And kind of when you put the two together as well, you can see that it doesn't really work. It doesn't really suit the style that well. That's kind of where it being a diver works a lot better. So, okay, so that's kind of 1-0 to the SKX with the straps. So we'll go on to the next one. Okay, so we're back to the SKX now, and I fit it on a leather strap. So this is kind of an extreme option. We do, to be fair, have leather straps that do work with the SKX, but this is where sort of the animal print on this one and the fact it's a diver doesn't really go together that well. It's a really dressy option, and obviously the SKX isn't really that dressy. The colour, it probably doesn't really match the dial that well as well. And you know, you would probably wear the Seiko SKX in casual situations, you know, like social gatherings and stuff, and this doesn't really work together that well. So yeah, we'll move on now to it fitted on the Tissot Visodate. Instantly, this is a perfect combination. It's obviously the brown version as well of the strap, and it just complements the dressy look of the watch really nicely. Again, you could wear it in casual. Probably with this strap it would look better in a smarter situation. The benefit of the brown with the white dial as well, it'll go with a lot of colours as well, so it's a really good option this. And again, once you kind of have the two together, you can really see that the Visodate just works perfectly. Something not quite right with the SKX. So okay, so there's the SKX and the Visodate next to each other. Again, you can really see that the Visodate is a perfect match with this strap. So we'll move on to the final strap, and we'll see how basically one strap on two different watches works really well. So okay, so now we're back to the Seiko SKX, and you can see it's now fitted on the classic mesh. So when you compare it to the other combinations we had it on, it's completely different now. This is a really good summery option. It's really light, this strap, so it's really, really comfortable. You've got a really easy to adjust buckle as well, so you can just slide it up and down. And yeah, it just gives the watch a different look, especially when you compare it to the rubber we had it on, and even the Jubilee that the SKX comes on as standard. It just gives it a really cool look. So that's it on the Seiko SKX. Okay, so here you can see the classic mesh is now fitted on the Tissot Visodate. So now you can really see that actually some straps can work on multiple watches, and this is really where having a video like this can be really helpful. So you can really see, especially when you put them together actually, that you've got two completely different watches, but both on the same strap, and they both work in their own right. So again, the power of changing watch strap, it completely changes a watch. Okay, so there's a nice short video basically going over how important it is to choose the correct strap for your watch, and obviously a version which works for both styles. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, we're trying something different, so we hope you do enjoy these hands-on looks. If you did enjoy, don't forget to leave a like on the video, that really does help, and we'll see you in the next video.